Dad, we have a situation. Look!
What is it now?
Plush repo dolls, they're everywhere! In lockers and backpacks, someone's plotting something!
That's a TikTok trend, Poppy. It's just kids being weird.
Yeah? Well, today it's plushies. Tomorrow, it's toilet paper made of plushies repo. Next week, they replace the teachers. Then what?
What do you want me to do?
School-wide locker sweep. Sign the paper or be responsible for the plush apocalypse. Evidence! I found this outside the lab. Baba Chops is definitely planning something evil.
That's a leg from the anatomy skeleton for biology class.
Exactly. Biology. Science. Evil science!
It probably just fell over in the hallway.
Or Baba Chops is planting body parts as part of his twisted master plan. Attention, students! Attention! A Chupa Chups wrapper was found near the school trash can. This is not okay.